Hello everybody, this is Steve, and today we're going to take on a project of installing a tow pack eTrike wheel kit for a Harley Davidson motorcycle. This one will be going on this 2001 Harley Ultra Classic, and here is the trike kit as it came yesterday. It consists of the axles, the bracket that it mounts it, more brackets, the wheels, I like the wheels, and the fenders. The fenders are black gel coat, and I believe will work quite well with the color scheme of the motorcycle since it's black and green. Okay, so in the instructions, the first thing that they tell me is to remove the saddlebags. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so now with the saddlebags removed, it tells me to remove the right rear foot pad. Okay, so now the instructions tell me to take the mounting bracket and put it underneath the motorcycle. To make things a little bit easier, I'm going to take off the axles, which means removing the bolts that hold the axles on. I have one of them removed on the right, and I'm going to now remove the one on the left.